today how to use TruckX electronic lock or automatic onboarding system. So this is our device from TruckX. There is no wires, no cable needed. It's very easy to plug in. I'll show you how easy it is and how much time it will take. And you can use your phone or a tablet to run your logbook. So let's go right in. So this is the truck, it's a Freightliner. So open it up. We have a diagnostic port here. It's a small green round pin connector. I'll just go and connect this device right now. That's it. It connects like a light bulb and off you go. You can see the lights blinking. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, so you see the lights coming in.